call with Australia's Foreign Affairs Secretary, escalating a row between China and Australia over an inquiry into the coronavirus pandemic. And that is your world for tonight. If you'd like to see more world news and interviews, take a look at the ABC's YouTube channel. There'll be more news after the break. I'm Bev O'Connor. I'll see you tomorrow night. Bye-bye.